Hello, dear students. Welcome once again to online video lectures. Today, we are going to discuss about the traffic problems. We have seen vehicles playing at a snail's speed and very close to each other on the roads of large cities. It means that many times we see that the vehicles are very close to each other and traveling with a very slow speed like a snail walking on the road. This situation is called as traffic jam. It means that there is obstruction in the in the road which is not leading the traffic to move further with ease. That problem is known as traffic jam. When the means of transport come to a halt on the road, the traffic problem occurs. It means that whenever the transport is coming to a halt, it means that when the transport stops, it is known as the traffic problem. And such a situation are occurring frequently in larger cities because there are large number of vehicles traveling on the roads during the time when the people are out for their work in the morning, and whenever they are coming back from their work in the evening, there is large type of traffic seen on the roads. The vehicular traffic comes almost to a standstill during peak hours of commuting. Peak hour means the time on which people will leave for the work from the home, and whenever they are coming back to home from their work, these type of timings are known as peak hours. At such tough times, the drivers, travelers and pedestrians experience mental stress because lot of traffic situation is there, and people become very stressed to control this type of traffic situation. It takes time to control the situation or to restart the vehicular traffic. The smokes which are coming from the vehicles and the dirty things which are there, it will create air and noise pollution. So many types of pollutions are created, such as air and noise pollution. The horns which are honked by the vehicle drivers create noise pollutions, and the tires of the vehicles produce dust, and the vehicles also produce smoke, which creates air pollution and cause many type of diseases to us. This will affect the public hygiene of that region, and also the growth of the vegetation is also prohibited or it is disturbed. The problem for this is growing urbanization. It has created the traffic jam problems in almost all the cities. Many cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Ahmedabad, etc. There are many more cities which are having the problem of traffic jams. There is a long queue of vehicles. When these vehicles are undertaken, relief work or rescue operations are stranded over the road. People will lose their life. Example is given here of the stranding of 108 ambulance because due to traffic, this ambulance has problems to reach the hospitals, and the person who is inside the ambulance may lead to lose their life and cause death to him. So traffic jam can be sometimes very vulnerable. Increase in traffic, negligence of drivers, and due to the ignorance in understanding the signatures and the symbols which are put along the road, may cause accidents. Not may cause, it also causes many accidents every year, especially during the night times when the night is always made to take rest and sleep, when the body is again recovering or repairing our body parts. That time if people are driving, they are not very much concentrative during the nights, and the chances of getting accidents are more during the night time. So we should avoid riding vehicles during the night. Death rate of India is very high due to the accidents on the road. Sometimes a victim of an accident may become invalid permanently. It means it may cause permanently disability or may lose the life also. Incidents occurs in the newspaper frequently about the accidents which are caused by the minors driving of vehicles. You might have seen little children who are not eligible to drive vehicles. They are also taking the vehicles without the permission of their parents, and they will lead to accidents which will cause problems to them and to their problems also. Big disasters are also caused due to the heavy vehicular traffic and uncontrolled speedy vehicles. Every time we may have seen The signboards which say that speed will always thrill you, but it will also kill you. So we should drive in a controlled way. We should not cross the speed limits, because speedy vehicles will always lead to uncontrolled situation and may lead to heavy vehicular accidents. The accidents occur at unmanned railway crossings, which are the result of undue haste or ignorance, thus in instructions which are shown there. The unnamed railway crossing which are made by the railways, they will have railway crossings there. The barriers will be put, but some railway crossings are without barriers also, and the person in charge is also absent there, which is leading to vehicular accidents and heavy traffic loss, causes loss of time as well as fuel. If timely effective steps are not taken, advanced planning for traffic management and dedication to observe them are not implemented, then it is going to create a risk of lives in the day to follow without doubt. So we should always follow the traffic rules, because it will save your time also and it will save your fuel also. We should also follow the effective steps which are being made by the traffic commissioners and the traffic police, whichever the board and signatures are kept on the roads. We should definitely follow that. We should make advanced planning for the traffic management, and we should force the public, we can motivate the public to follow those rules and regulations, so that we can bring the accident rates in our country up to a very low extent. Let us see what we have to do in the traffic situation and what we should avoid. First thing we have to discuss what we should do in the traffic situation. First point is develop suburban townships near larger cities and connect them intensely by facilitating public transport system. Public transport system, in the sense we can say the public buses, public vehicles, the carpooling system, in which much peoples can sit in a single vehicle and lead to their workplaces, which will decrease the traffic jam situation, and the traffic problems can be brought down up to a great extent. Second thing is separate tracks should be made for the pedestrians and cyclists, so that they may not get involved into the traffic situation. Encroachments on the road must be removed. Encroachment, in the sense, I will say that the people who are keeping their selling vehicles like lorries, and some people will sit nearby the road and sell some eatables, fruits, vegetables, etc. These type of things are known as encroachment, and these problems are also leading to traffic jam. Vehicles should be traveled with a very low speed, and the vehicles which are pulled by men or by animals should be banned during the peak hours, because the vehicles which are pulled by human beings or by men or by animals will travel in a very low speed, and it will cause problems of traffic jam. Information regarding the traffic rules should be conveyed to the citizen through educational advertisement and public awareness programs. It means that we should put some banners, and we should follow the audio visual method of advertisement to get to spread awareness regarding the traffic rules. We should follow the carpooling system, in which some people who are living in a same society can travel in a same car instead of traveling in separate vehicles, which will save the time also, which will save the fuel also, and which will solve the problem of traffic also. Digging and repairing work which are done along the road should be completed immediately, and the holes which are made by the government people should not be kept open, and they should be closed with proper repairing. A tradition should be developed to take out the procession, marriage procession, or religious procession during lean period instead of peak hours of vehicular traffic. This type of procession also will cause traffic problems. These are not permanent. Someday or other day this can be solved. These are not a big problem for us. 1 day or 2 day are there in which we will see this type of procession which are causing traffic jams. But if a separate arrangement is made for taking out this procession, or some particular time is been decided by the government, this type of problem of traffic jam could be solved. During the traffic jam, you have to keep your vehicles in proper lane so that the situation will not get worse. The infrastructure like express highways, over bridges, flyovers, ring roads, and bypass road should be developed. These expressways, over bridges, and bypass roads will connect the vehicles from one city to other city, from the side of the cities. Instead of getting inside the city, we can cross the city from the side, and we cannot get inside the city and cause traffic jams. Every person going for the job should invariably use public transport at least once a week, and use the seat belts while driving a car. So we have discussed already about the carpooling system. Instead of traveling in our own vehicle, we can sit in a single vehicle, or we can use the public transport, so that the problem of traffic could be brought down. Provisions of heavy penalty should be made for the drivers who are drinking and driving, who do not have their driving license, or who are driving recklessly, and for those who violate traffic rules. Nowadays, this has been already implemented by the government, because very heavy penalties been taken by the government for the by the people, and from the people who are not driving properly, or who are violating the traffic rules. And what we should avoid during the traffic jam situation? First thing is, we should follow the traffic rules. We should not violate it. Very old vehicles should not be used, because they will cause lot of problems. And sometimes while traveling on such vehicles, they have some problems, and they stop in the middle of the road, causing big traffic jam situations. Transportation of goods should be not carried except for the night time and early morning, because these are not the peak hours of work, and most probably the roads are empty during these night times and early morning, and we can carry out the transportation of goods. Do not deface the instruction boards, signs, or symbols on the roads. They are meant for vehicle drivers, so we should definitely follow these instruction boards, signs, and symbols which are been kept on the road. Do not alter the design of the vehicle, because the design which is made by the company is the best available design, and it is according to the situation of traffic jams, and according to the situation of speed and the availability of the road. We should not alter the designs, because altering the designs also will cause traffic jams and may lead to some accidents also. The most important thing, we should not use cell phones while driving. This can cause lead us to accidents. We should definitely avoid using cell phones while driving. Do not drive a vehicle without putting on the seat belts or the helmets if you are riding two wheelers, and don't forget to put on the seat belts if you are riding four wheelers. A wayfarer crossing rails or road should not use earphones or cell phones. So any person who is walking on the road, or who is crossing the road, should not put earphones, or should not use cell phones while crossing the road, because if you are busy in the cell phone, or if you are using earphones, the honking of the vehicles may not reach you, and which can cause accidents. Do not enter into arguments with person who control the traffic regarding their instructions. So we should avoid getting into arguments, because these peoples are there to help us, and we should follow the instruction given by them. Guardians should not allow their minor children to drive vehicles. It is prohibited by the government of law, and this is for the safety of your children. You should never allow the minor children to drive vehicles. Do not join a mob or instruct the relief and safety work at a place of an accident due to your inquisitiveness. Means, whenever an accident has taken place, we should not gather together to join that crowd and obstruct the relief and safety work. Instead of gathering that place, we can help them, and we should carry out the safety work, and we can help the government and the person who has been suffering by the accidents. So these were the things which we have to keep it in mind during the traffic jam situation. And the traffic problem is up to a very great level in our country. If the government is not taking necessary steps to control this traffic, one day or the other will come definitely when people will start violating the traffic rules, and it will cause a very big problem. So with a wish that each and every citizen of India will definitely follow the traffic rules, I will end this video and I will appeal all of you to follow the traffic rules and make others to follow the same. Wishing you all my best. I'm ending this video and we'll meet again with the new video and a new topic. Till then, stay safe and stay at home.